Welcome back to week 4, the Laurel Wreath Sew Along. This week we are doing steps 3 and 4. So you're going to begin with some green rectangles, and we are going to be doing some more folded corners. So you're going to add some navy corners to the two sizes of these green rectangles. Now notice the angle of that folded corner in relation to the size of the green rectangle. You're going to make 32 of these. You can see you have 8 of one color, 24 of the other, and they are looking cute with our other blocks. Now we're going to make some strip units using our navy background and the two red prints. You're going to cut those into little sections, add that navy piece to the left side. Then we're going to start adding our green units that we just made. Here you can see I'm doing that. And then you're going to end up with some different color combinations. So notice you'll have 12 of one combination, 4 of another, and 8 of another, because we have 2 reds and 2 greens. So you can follow along in the pattern for that, or you could just do them totally scrappy. I chose to make mine planned, and how I have them laid out here will match the cover image. So that's it for this week. See you back here next week.